Alright, let's get cooking. Today, I'm showing you how to make chicken Kothu roti with rice, a super flavorful street food mashup that's quick, filling, and totally addictive. First, let's talk basics. Traditionally, Kothu roti uses chopped flatbread, but I'm swapping in cooked rice for a twist that's just as tasty and honestly even easier. So, here's what you need. About 2 cups of cooked rice. Leftover rice works best. 1 cup of diced cooked chicken, a handful of chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and some curry leaves if you have them. For the spices, grab turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and a bit of salt. And don't forget some oil for frying and a couple of eggs if you want it extra rich. Ready? Heat up a big pan or wok on medium-high and pour in a splash of oil. Toss in your onions, green chilies, and curry leaves. Sauté until the onions get golden and smell amazing. Now, add your tomatoes and let them soften for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle in your spices. Just half a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Give it all a good mix and let those flavors wake up. In goes the chicken. Stir it around so it soaks up all those spicy, fragrant juices. If you're feeling fancy, push everything to one side of the pan, crack in the eggs, and scramble them before mixing back together. This gives the Kothu that signature rich texture. Now for the star, the rice. Toss and mix so every grain gets coated in that spicy, chickeny goodness. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring often to keep things from sticking. Taste. Add salt or a squeeze of lemon if you like, and you're done. Spoon it out hot. Top with a sprinkle of chopped coriander, and get ready for big flavors in every bite. Chicken Kothu roti with rice. Super easy, totally satisfying, and you made it all in one pan. Give it a try and let me know how yours turns out. Happy cooking!